seen wearing a tan shirt with black lettering, black shorts. Police are looking for Chase Lee, 33 years old, white, male, 5 feet 11 inches, 170 pounds, brown hair, blue eyes, and last seen wearing a light-colored shirt, blue jeans, and khaki-color Hey Dude shoes, in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a white 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche with black trim with several Galveston Beach Access stickers on the front windshield bearing Texas license plate number DXV6695. Law enforcement officials believe these children to be in Great War Tyler Police Department at March 1st, 9035, 1000. News media point of contact is Tyler Police Department at February 6, 9035, 9310.